All right, you're welcome back again. In this explanatory video, I'll be showing you, since we've explained in the last explanatory video on how you can remove background from your images and replace them with beautiful and amazing background images. So now maybe imagine, maybe you have maybe like a picture. It might be your picture or any other picture. You want to remove the background. Maybe you don't like the background, you want to change the background to something very nice. So how do you go about that? Now you've learned how to remove this background. Now where do you get the nice backgrounds you can use? Because most of it are paid, unless you want to get maybe like standard definition images. You want to get high definition images, which is also at the same time free, right? So I'll be showing you two sites that you can download stock images. These are called stock images because they have high definition quality, and you can use them for your any of your projects. Do you understand? All right, so the first one is pixabay.com and the second one is pexel.com. So you can also download videos, stock videos on these particular sites. So stock videos are also videos like high quality definition video in which you can use for your project or any other thing. All right, let's get right into these. So the first thing we need is to go to our browser and search on pixabay.com. So pixabay.com, no, that's that. So you dive in. All right, so you can see search for images. There are already templates. There are amazing images you can use already here. So there are amazing images. But remember that the image, so you can search images related to anything. You can search images. Maybe you need like a golden image, background image. You need like a student walking. Anything you want to think of that you want to, depending on you. But you remember that the last image we remove the background. That's what we're using. So the image actually is related to tech stuff. So I'm just type tech background. All right, tech background. All right, so these are amazing tech backgrounds you can use. All of these are amazing. They are all amazing, but I'll just choose this one. Choose this one and you click on free download, then you download. Now as your image is downloaded, you notice something. You can see edit with Canva. So click on download. You can see your file is not downloading, so you can see edit with Canva here. Now also note this also. See this particular thing, that's the one we downloaded. The format is 1920 by 1098, which means 1920 is the width and the height is what 1098, which means the height, the width is higher, is more expanded than the height. Do you understand? So you will see what we're talking about very soon. So you need to notice that 1920 by 1098. Then you download Canva. So I already have my Canva application here. You can go to Play Store or Google Store or Apple Store and you download your Canva app. It's free. There is free version and there is a pro version. The pro version allow you to create more templates, like templates that are already available that you can use, that are very, very advanced to make your design come out beautifully. All right, so what you need to do is very, very simple. So just click on this create button. Click on that create button and you click on this custom size. All right, so click on the custom size. Then what you want to do now is just type in the particular width and the height that we just mentioned. So 1920 by the height, I think, let me just check back the height. All right, the height is 1098. So I suggest you not close that particular page where you downloaded it, so that you can easily get the background of the image you just downloaded, right? so you don't want to mess that up. All right, so let's wait for it to load up. So after loading this up, you can see now it's this is our working space, right? This is our working space. So what you need to do here now is to add that particular image you just downloaded. That will be our background, new background image, right? So you click on this you see access to your gallery. So you click on this gallery button below. So click on the gallery, and the image you just downloaded. So click on this is the particular image. So click on it and click on add to page. All right, as you can see now, we have already added our image to the page. So what you want to do is to tap on this particular image, then scroll below, scroll. All right, no need for scrolling. So type on the image, then you see this button. So just click on it. All right, then you start scrolling. Now you see something here, select image as background. Do you understand? So you tap on it, and you can see now we now have this image as our full background. It's as simple as that. Just follow these simple steps. All right, so the next thing is to add our image that doesn't have any background again. So you just click on this and go to your image. Let me search. Then you locate where you saved that particular image. Where did I save it? I think, let me just check here. Download. All right, it's at the download. This is the particular image. This is the image we did the last time. So let's just add this image now. Add to page. As you can see now, you can position this particular image anywhere you want. You can position it here. Imagine, see this is beautiful. You can adjust the size and place it anywhere you want. See now, it came from just normal white background image to image that now has a very, very beautiful background that's even talking more about this particular thing is representing. So you can see this is amazing. It's just as simple as that. Now when you are done with your image, you can even add text. If you want to add text, you can add text. So just scroll down below, then click on this text button below. So click on that text button, and just click on add a text box. You can select from all these templates. You can select among it, then click on add a text box. You can now see you've added a text box. So you can type in anything you want. Okay, maybe technology, 3D technology. Isn't that amazing? So then you go to your font. You can change the font. So you can change the font here. So the font, you can change the font here. You click on the font. All right, so when you click on the font, what you want to do is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So you just need to go here. So you can select from any of the. Note that fonts that has these things means the pro. You have to use the pro version because you can be able to use that particular one. I'm currently using the pro version, so I can select any of this stuff, but I'll go with the free version to demonstrate this for you guys. All right, you can see now this is more appealing and more talking about what we are doing here. So you can do this, can narrow it more to make it look amazing. So 3D technology. All right, you can do anything you want. You can add your name, you can add anything. So it depending on your creativity. We are all creative. All right, so you can change the color here. You can change the color, you can add new colors. So you can, this is amazing. You can add new colors, and if you want your text to come out more, then you go to the effects below. So click on effect, then you click on shadow. You understand? You click on shadow, Then you can add your shadow. So you can add your shadow here, so to make it come out more and more. And you can see the color of this shadow won't actually make it come out, so I would recommend you to change it to black. Change it to black, white. You change it to black. That black is okay. So, and that's all. You can see now this is looking amazing. So I'll just go ahead and download this video, download this particular image right now. So just click here, oh sorry, so you want to click this button here. So you click on that particular button. Now Canva, they will tell you, they will suggest for you the best type of thing to do. You click on download, then you can see suggested PNG. Now that you are downloading the PNG format does not mean that your picture won't have any background, because you have already created a background for it, right? So you click on this, you can select the size, so you can change the size here, and you just click on, you leave it at that PNG. But if you want to go for JPEG, so you can go for JPEG, the same thing. So you just go click on download, and then your image will just download like that, just like that. This is very, very simple to do. You can also replicate this. So now what I want you to do at the end of this video, at the end of this particular lesson, I want you to recreate something of this nature. I want you to recreate something. So think about something, and you can go to the internet to download any picture, remove the background, and change the background to something very, very beautiful, something talking about that particular thing. So you can do it. You are creative. You are creative also. So you can do this. I know. So when your image will be like this means that your image, you can simply go and check your gallery. You see it there. It has already downloaded. That's how Canva does. So you just go to gallery and just go to Canva. You can see my Canva designs here. So go to Canva, then your image is already waiting for you, as you can see. So this will be the end of the video. See you in the next one.